I'm Terence Odeen. I'm a professor of finance at the Haas School of Business at UC Berkeley.
And I am Donatella Taurasi. I have a PhD in finance and I'm currently teaching corporate finance at UC Berkeley.
We'd like to welcome you to Making Smart Financial Decisions. The course will run for 5 weeks, and each week is organized around topics. In week 1, we'll discuss spending and saving. In week 2, credit, debt, and taxes. Week 3 is all about insurance. Week 4, investments. And week 5 is about preparing for the future, including retirement planning, financial advisors, advanced directives, Medicare, and long-term care.
You can see a summary of each week's activities on each week's At a Glance page. The main course activity is to watch the video lectures.
Each week includes a core set of videos that I hope everyone will watch. Other videos are marked as optional. Watch those that are relevant to your circumstance or that interest you. For example, week 3 includes videos on various types of insurance. If nobody but yourself depends on your income, you almost certainly don't need life insurance right now. Thus, you may decide not to watch the life insurance video. Or you may decide to watch it anyway because you anticipate having a need for life insurance someday. It's your call. While you'll be seeing a lot of me in videos, Donatella will be working behind the scenes, making sure that the course goes smoothly.
The course includes Check for Understanding questions, weekly Be Financially Smart activities, financial reflection questions, and discussion forums. You will also find links to articles and useful websites related to the weekly topics. We encourage you to do the weekly activities. Most of these are practical exercises, such as requesting a free copy of your credit report, which will give you the opportunity to start making concrete changes in your financial situation right away. The weekly discussion forum is a place where you can post comments and questions for other students. Our hope is that students who know more about the particular topic will help to answer other students' questions. While the course TA, Dale Radcliffe, and I will be monitoring the discussion forums, due to the size of the class, we won't be able to respond to questions posted on the forum. Read the guidelines for discussion under the discussion link in the course. Go through the How to Navigate this course section at the very beginning of this course for help navigating through the course, and refer to the FAQ section for help with questions about using the edX technology. You can post technical questions that are not already answered in the Tech Help discussion forum.
If you're interested in creating small group discussions, meetups, and such, you can post your interest in the general discussion forum and meet other interested students there. Small group discussions are a great way to learn, and research shows that peer groups can help people achieve financial goals such as saving more. However, the course team will not be able to help you form or find groups.
Each week starts with a survey by you and your personal finance knowledge and habits. While completing the survey is voluntary, we ask that you please do so. The surveys will greatly help us to understand who is taking the course and how we might improve the course. We will share summary statistics from the surveys with the class, though of course we won't share information about individual students. The first survey is available to take now. The course materials for week 1 will become available Monday morning, April the 18th. Please fill out the first survey after you watch this video.
Later in the course, I'm going to be joined by 2 financial experts for Q&A sessions, Helene Olin in week 3 and Carrie Pomerantz-Schwab in week 5. Both Helene and Carrie have written excellent books on personal finance and will help me answer some of your most common questions.
Finally, a word for students living outside of the US. Most of the course should be helpful to people living anywhere. However, many videos include information that only applies to the US. Some videos, such as those on taxes and health insurance, are very US oriented. Others, such as those on spending and saving and investments, are relevant to everyone. If you live outside the US, watch the videos most relevant to you.
Thanks for joining us. We're looking forward to helping you make smart financial decisions.